Rain is really coming down heavy now, and I have absolutely nothing waterproof. That riding the motorbike on sand for my good friend Martin, who's a considerably better driver than me, said if you lean on the back wheel and take the weight off the front, it makes a massive difference. And so I just tried it out, and he is right. Yeah, it's much better if you lean on the back wheel and take the weight off the front, because you kind of just like glide through the sand, you know. Oh, not like that. Oh, it's quite sandy on the way down. It's bloody steep on the way down. Bloody hell. Whoa. It's actually probably harder than going up. Like those deep sandy like trenches on the way down, like your wheels just kind of like stick in them, and yeah, you just can't control the bike. The bike just kind of slides down the hill until you kind of hit a rock or something. Like I've already dropped the bike like twice. Thankfully it was just going slow, but yeah, it's quite difficult to come down. You know, I haven't seen any rain yet, but up ahead it's black. Like, I don't know whether you can see that much on the camera, but like the clouds are black, so it looks like it's raining really hard. I don't know, I must be honest, riding the motorbike in the rain is quite possibly the worst thing in history. And also I have a very expensive camera in my bag, so yeah, don't really want to be riding in the rain, but let's see. Rain is really coming down heavy now, and I have absolutely nothing waterproof, and there's no place to take shelter at all. Actually, I think I just maybe found some place, even if it's brief. Let me turn that off. Oh my god. Wow, that's crazy. And I'm not anywhere near houses. But look what I just found. It's a stroke of luck. Is it waterproof? Oh, I'm sure it'll keep some of the rain off regardless. Oh, not really. I'm sure I can keep it off my bag. Just waited about 15 minutes and it just haven't got any quieter at all. So I think it's about 10 k's to the nearest town. I'll just have to drive and hope for the best. Hope I find some kind of shelter on the way. My bag is, well, my shirt's completely soaked through anyway, so. You know, I just bought the GoPro Media mod not so long back, and I don't know if it's waterproof or not. Fingers crossed it is. If it's not, we'll find out very soon. Oh, this rain doesn't look like it's like holding up at all. My helmet is pissing me off as well. My helmet is doing my head in. It needs to be tighter. Oh. Jesus, that was close. Problem is now you can't see the deep sand. Oh my god. This is going to be a miserable drive back. Oh, that's what I need. Fucking bunch of cows crossing a road, like. Come on, get out of the way. Well, the rain kind of feels like it's coming to an end now. Fingers crossed. Oh, look what I just found. Oh, that's good news. Oh well. Bloody hell. Oh, my feet. My shoe is just swimming in water. Okay, good news. The rain's finally stopped and I'm gonna get going. Although I just heard a crack of thunder. But regardless, I have to make a move. Because I just realised it's actually 50 kilometers to the next to the next destination. So yeah, fingers crossed it doesn't rain anymore. And I lost a earbud on the way down the mountain. Shit. Never mind, let's go onwards and upwards. 50 k's to go, not too far. Oh, this isn't a good start in the mud. In the mud and the sand. You know, the funny thing with a place like this though, is like when the rain does stop and you're driving at the normal speed, your clothes will dry. Your clothes will dry within like minutes. You know, because it's still 38 degrees or whatever. Oh yeah, the skies look pretty normal up ahead, so fingers crossed. You know, the only problem is I can't see into these puddles. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna go and concentrate. You know what? This road has turned into wet sand, and it is absolutely not fun to drive on. Like, I just can't get I can't pick up any speed because I'm just sliding all over the place. My arse end is all over the gaff, yeah. Yeah, it's crazy. Oh, it's going to be a long 50 kilometers if it's like this. Well, everyone here seems soaked to their skin, so I think even the local people weren't expecting it. Or maybe they're just used to it. Who knows? The road's a bit better down here anyway. Thank God. I'm going to head back to Aoral, and I'm going to stay in Aoral tonight. At least I know there's a hotel there that looks pretty decent. One with air conditioning and a shower, and it's only 12 quid a night. So I think I'm just going to head back there. At least then I know I'll be sound. And it's only 34 kilometers. Because the rain has just started a little bit again. Hello. Little dogs on the road. Man, the difference in the road after the rain is absolutely crazy. It is absolutely mental. Look at these two playing in the mud. Hello. Jeez. Yeah, so in rainy season, that kind of rain that we've seen happens every day. So you can imagine the state of these roads. Jesus wept. Look at this. The last thing I need is a bunch of cows on the road, like. Come on, man. I'm on the mood for cows. The frustrating thing about this road now is you're going from sand to wet mud to... It's crazy. It is absolutely crazy. And yeah, every 10 meters is a different feeling on the ground. Oh well, let's just deal with it. Oh no, the rain is starting again now. Thank you. Started again, and it's just absolutely insane. Oh my God. I haven't really gone very far either. I've only gone like 7 kilometers. Oh well. Fingers crossed it doesn't last very long. Clear skies. No. Okay, so we're back on the road again. We've got about 20 kilometers to go. Apparently the media mod isn't waterproof, so fingers crossed it doesn't die. You know, my fuel tank is bumping around, like, it's as if it's gonna fall off or something. Like, maybe tonight I'll take it to a mechanic and see if they can tighten it. Yeah. 20 kilometers in this weather will take probably 40 minutes. Really does sound like the tank is gonna fall off this bike. It's rattling around like crazy. Anyway, I got about 10 k's to go now. Okay, I think the hotel that I seen last time is right here. Kinkily named, called the Aoral Guest House. Whoa. Let's see if they have some rooms. Hello. Fair play to this hotel. They gave me stuff to wash my shoes, which was nice. So yeah, I'm gonna wash all my stuff. So as you can see, there's not actually a lot to do here. So I'm just gonna get some food and then come back. Well, the chickens are still out even at night, look. This cute little cat in my restaurant. Oh, he's beautiful. Wow, this cat is beautiful. So I have some pork ribs and some dried beef. It's delicious. The icing on the cake with some rice. So I just had my dinner, now I'm walking home. All of that food only cost me, what was that, $10. Fried pork ribs with beef jerky and that like beef fried rice, just $10. Amazing. Anyway, depends how late I come back tomorrow, but maybe I'll go there again tomorrow night. Aoral district. Look at these lizards on the wall. Bloody hell. Hope they don't crawl into my room. I just arrived back at my hotel and look at what the guy did. He hung up all my clothes outside, out of the rain. So nice.